Tanisha was in her grandmother's basement. I went down there. Tanisha
You eating spaghetti?
She's not even the one who had the light.
You like that?
I'm sorry.
Good spaghetti?
You like that spaghetti?
Hello.
Good spaghetti, huh? Yeah? Could I eat some of my spaghetti? Thank you. Thank you.
Your Honor, she did not give me no dirty. No, Your Honor, I don't smoke.
You don't get high at all?
No.
So what is it she's scared to tell?
Ask her, Your Honor. Ask her.
I don't want to punch y'all from this. No, I don't want to ruin
Good?
Hello.
the relationship permanently.
Look at you, got sauce all over your mouth.
Hello.
So I'm going to leave it at that. Now, you have the bill that
Some more?
you failed to pay, and what's your response to not paying the bill, ma'am?
Your Honor, my lights didn't get cut off for no not paying the bills. My lights got cut off because she had them turned off. The day that I paid $250, the next day that my lights was cut off.
Okay. Ma'am, how much have you paid on the
$250.
That's all?
Yeah, that's $250.
Yeah.
I made it right
Can I
now.
show you where it says the amount was $1,289?
Now you done?
That was before.
Mind looking at that?
All done?
That was before. That's the
Yes?
final bill, Your Honor. That's the final bill.
Well, don't you think you owe the final bill?
Yeah, I was paying the bill.
Good?
I was paying the bill. I paid
Go ahead.
$50 on the bill. I made
Now you're done. Okay.
and everything together, but she had my
Give Mom a kiss.
cut out, so she
Give Mom a kiss.
got
Kiss. Good boy.